Replace your time-consuming, labor-intensive tape measure layout procedures with Topcon's seamless layout workflow. No need to dimension drawings. Instead, create points using Topcon's Point Manager in AutoCAD or Revit and upload directly to your tablet to bring to the field. Lay out 5 times faster than traditional methods using Topcon Robotic Total Station, and when possible, install pre-pour to save even more on installation cost. During layout, the system automatically records as-built information, proving items are positioned within specifications and reducing costly rework. After the layout is complete, update the drawings back in the office with the as-built information on any items that needed to be moved during the construction process. Bottom line, use Topcon's complete layout solution to eliminate having to dimension drawings, lay out 5 times faster, reduce costs, eliminate rework, and allow yourself to build faster and improve your cash flow.